Today we will be replacing the screen of Lenovo ThinkPad T430 screen. As you can see, this screen has been broken because my daughter has just stepped on it. And so before we start doing anything, let's just first turn off the computer. So now it is shutting down, so now we just have our new screen, which was ordered from laptopscreen.com, and you can see this is a new screen, nice and shiny with a protector screen on it. It's a 14.1 inch screen, and I will just put it to the side. Okay, and just waiting for the computer to shut down. Okay, now the computer has been shut down. And we can just remove the power supply and start work on it. So the way we start is to first remove the front cover of the screen. Actually, if you just use your finger, go to the midpoint, you can see you can just create a cleave here, and just use your hand to see, click, click, click. Okay, you can see now everything has come off. So you can see this computer screen is actually only held by 4 screws at 4 corners. And we just remove all of them. Okay, put them aside. Do not lose them, because I don't think the new ones come with the screws. With the 4 screws and tighten, you can just take it out. Actually, it takes out very easily. Okay, I hope you can see it here. Basically, it's just from the back. There is this connector to it. You just have to be a little bit careful for this connector. This you don't want to break it for any reason. Actually, there is a tape on top, so you have to first peel off the tape, and then you can just actually this connector, you can come off very easily. You can see now we have old screen that has scratch at the corner. You just put it aside. Then we can just reconnect our new screen. Okay, with the connector, you can see at the bottom. Now the bottom is up, right over here. You just do the connection carefully, and it is quite easy at least. Okay. After that, I think I will just grab a scotch tape and tape the back of the connector, and then we just put it back. Okay. And remember, we have 4 screws. Just take your time handling this screw. They are very, very small, so kind of difficult to grab. Okay, last one now. Tighten all of them. They don't need to be very tight. before we put the cover, remember I had a cover back, you just unpeel this screen protector. Okay. Show the true face of the screen. Okay. And then you can just start putting it back, so it's really the same way. You just put it on top. Just no trick to it, just push all the side and all the corners. Make sure they're all snug. Okay, so at last we can just select the power back, and you just try to turn it on to see what happens. Okay, you can see now we have the screen on. Just try to start up. So okay, starting the Windows, you can see everything is screen is lit. Okay. Okay, good. Now we have our screen. Okay, I will finish.